So with the Pioneer Inverter Ultra High Efficiency Heat Pump, the instructions were a lot left to be desired. It was very difficult to get to where we needed to get, but we did get it, particularly Drew. We've got all the lines up, everything's connected. The drains were a little bit of a challenge also because of the distance we're having to carry, so we put it into PEX. One of the connections out of 3, 4, 5 connections is leaking, and we don't want that to happen. That is the drain connection. Everything else is working, kicking out at 62. So Drew and Clay, particularly Drew, did a good job getting everything squared away. Wiring, we had a minor problem. The different style disconnect kind of threw Clay for a loop, but Drew and Clay did a good job on this. Is it something that somebody can do easily on their own? First of all, you would not have the Freon available to you unless you were an air conditioning person. And all the other tools that require like a vacuum pump and gauges and all those kind of things would probably not be something that you could get your hands on. They do have, according to Clay, a quick connect set up where the Freon is included. So that would be something I would look into if you were doing it for yourself. Otherwise, this is kind of for the person who's not going to do it, to know what should be done and what it could look like, and the person who is doing it, some tips on what we had to fight with and what can be done. So I hope that helps, guys. We'll see you next time.